Okay, welcome back, guys. On this lectures, we're talking about the paragraph tag. Okay, okay. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to talk about writing comments to your website, adding comments to your website. Okay, so this is the body section. We are going to comment on this body section to show that okay, this we wrote here is a header section, or is the header of the web page. So we write this hashtag. See, once I wrote I wrote that, the codes become inactive because this is the beginning of the comment line. So if you don't close it, it remains that way. Now you see. So we want to comment on this code, and we will say is sorry, HTML is his to and hasn't his yet. Boom. Okay, we save it, and you see is displayed on the browser. So one thing about all these tags, one thing about HTML is that if you do not close these tags, as you can see, this is the opening tag, this is the opening tag, this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. If you do not close this, it won't show up in your browser. It will only lead to errors. For instance, let's erase this. As you can see, oops, let us save it. We saved it. This will only end up bringing errors to your website, although it's showing here. Okay, let's try it with the paragraph tag. H3. Okay. So once it is advisable for you to close these tags to avoid errors while writing. Also, in HTML, for instance, let's assume, okay, this text, now let's copy it, then we paste it to this section. Let's say we want to change the background color. We add style, then we say background color. That color should be used. Let's use green. We save it. We check our browser. Wow, you can see we have it showing on the browser. Also, we could change the colors of the headers, the what's it called, paragraphs. For instance, let's say you want to style the header. Let's style header 2 4. Let's see. So we add the style, and we say font family. Let's use let's try this serif. Close it, we save it, and we check our browser. Don't know why. Kind of looks different. Let's try another font. Let's try another font. Va Vadana. Vadana. Save it. Okay. I think it's different. It's different. It looks a bit. It looks bigger. Okay. So text size. Okay. Let's try to change the font size of this paragraph tag now. So we add